Good morning. This is Friday, March 27th with your Minute with the Mayor. Typically, I just talk on these Minutes with the Mayor, but today I'm going to read because I want to say some very specific things. In the 19 years since the war in the Middle East began, 5,808 American troops were killed in action. Yesterday, over 1,200 Americans died of the coronavirus. I don't point this out to minimize the number of casualties of our war efforts. I reference this data to emphasize the clear and present danger that COVID-19 presents to Council Bluffs. At this point, it seems like we've had some success in slowing down the spread of the COVID-19 disease within the entire metropolitan area. I worry that this success might be creating a false sense of security. Yesterday, I noticed a group of neighborhood kids playing together outside. They were dogpiling and roughhousing, and one child's mom called her daughter in for dinner, and the daughter asked if her friend could eat dinner with them too. "Sure she can," came the mother's confident response. I get it that your kids are bored at home, and kids being kids, they're less concerned about hygiene. I ask that parents have a serious talk with their children about maintaining social distancing over the next few weeks. Warn them about touching playground equipment. Lots of germy hands have previously been placed right where your kids are placing their hands. It's likely that at some point, more than half our citizens will have contacted this disease. 20% of COVID-19 positive patients will end up hospitalized. But another 20% are asymptomatic, meaning they show no effects of the disease. They may not even know they have the disease, but they can spread the disease. The neighborhood kid who's asymptomatic could spread the disease to your children, and your children unknowingly bring the virus home to you and to the rest of your family. I saw a news story the other day about technology that's embedded in your smartphone. They were using that data to analyze social distancing by determining how close someone else's phone is to your phone. The city of Omaha got a C rating, but Pottawatomie County was rated D. This is a one-to-one spread disease. Any one single person that comes into contact with you could be a virus carrier. Treat everyone like they have the disease and distance yourself at least 6 feet away to avoid the overspray of coughs and sneezes. Continue to wash your hands regularly and do it too much. Continue to disinfect your countertops, your hand railings, door handles, and toilet handles. Anything that gets touched too much. Stay clean, and this health emergency will end sooner rather than later. A couple of quick things. Here are some current Iowa statistics. Currently, 179 Iowans have tested positive for COVID-19, compared to more than 86,000 nationwide. In both cases, the numbers of infected individuals seems to be doubling every 3 days. 56% of those testing positive are women, and 66% of Iowa's COVID-19 positive population are under the age of 60. If you have family and friends who are recovering alcoholics or drug addicts, I ask that you stay in regular contact with them during this health emergency. Social distancing can lead to feelings of anxiety, which then can result in addiction relapse. Show some appreciation to our local healthcare professionals. In many cases, they are risking their lives for us. Stay safe this weekend and do something nice for somebody. You'll be better off for the effort. That's your Minute with the Mayor, and have a good weekend and continue with safe practices. Thank you.